girls. Two little girls. She was wagging her tail. Sleepy girl. Her eyes are closed. Let's see that one. Let's see it. Pretty girl. Your little feet. Sleeping together. Let's see. Here's Mama wants to check them out. Hey, Allie. Hey, Allie, you watching those little girls? You got pretty baby girls. Pretty babies. The one on top is lighter than the other one. They're both light. But it's hard to tell when they're a couple days old. They're pretty light. Ooh, stretch. She keeps wagging her little tail. Okay, puppies. Night-night.